So right here, guys, I have two pair of the Jordan 1 Black Toe Reimagined. One of these shoes is a fake, the other one is a real. And the reason of this video is to show you how you can legit check these shoes in case you're trying to buy these shoes from a reseller. Because a lot of people out there are gonna be trying to scam you because, as we can see, these shoes are not that far away when it comes to the details and quality. So today, I'm gonna go detail by detail to show you the main differences that you have to pay attention to when it comes to these shoes right here if you need to legit check these shoes. And I know that a lot of you will think that why will somebody try to buy a fake pair of a shoe that is already sitting everywhere? Well, let me tell you that some people can get the fakes and try to sell you the shoe as a good deal, but they are actually selling you the fakes and you might not know. But today you're going to learn how to legit check these shoes right here. So without much more to say, guys, make sure to be subscribed, by the way, and leave a like, because these videos are not that easy to do, and you know your boy got to do it for you, and that's why I did it. So without much more to say, let's begin this video. Okay, so here we have the two boxes. The biggest one is the real box and the smaller one is the fake box. So this right here, you can see a big difference between both of these shoes. The boxes are different, at least the sizes of the box. Actually, not only the sizes, if you pay close attention to the colors of the box, you can see that on the fake one, we have darker colors. I have to say that the box was pretty well done. I mean, we have all the details here that we have on the real one, but the colors are different, as we can see. This one is darker than the real one, but yeah, the size of the box is the main difference. I mean, that's pretty easy to tell. Now, let's open the boxes to see what we have here. And when we remove these, we can see again another difference, and it's the fact that yeah, both of them have the Wings logo here on the center with the lettering and all that, but the real one has this code in red that we don't have anywhere here on the fake one. All right, so make sure that your pair have these numbers here, because as you can see, there's nothing to look at here on the fake box. But again, let's keep it moving. Here we have the tissue paper in both of the shoes, and they look pretty much the same, I have to say. Let me see. Feeling of it is pretty similar. I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm gonna tell you things the way I see it. All right, hold on. You see the Air Jordan here? This seems to be a little lighter than the Air Jordan here on the fake one. Let me know if you can notice that as well. I'm noticing that difference just right now. And what else do we have? All right. See the AMJ image, it's not even the same quality. I mean, you can clearly see this here. Not even the color is the same. They have the same images, just not same quality. It's like this was taken with a pro camera. This was taken with a, I don't know, $80 Android phone or something like that. Now I'm just kidding, guys. Let's go with the shoes, because that's what we're here for, right? So just taking a look at both of the shoes just like this, you know, straight out of the box. They look kind of similar. But when we go deep into the shoe, like, let me show you the real one. Take a look at the real shoe here. Keep this one in mind, all the details. Yes, sir. All right, now let's see the fake one. You see, they're not looking that different though. I have to be honest with you. They are not looking that different. But we're gonna go deep into that to see if we can find some differences here and there, but we gotta wait for that. So let me set up this a little better to go with all the differences, guys, because that's what we're here for. Okay, so here we have both of the shoes. Again, at first look, they look, you know, kind of identical, but let's see how they look when we go deep into the details of the shoe. And in order for me to do that, first, let me go with this here, where we have the my very best message here on the shoe. Take a look at that. This is how it looks on the fake one. Which is the side that have them on the, oh, this one is this one here. Okay, So look at my very best on the real one. Now look at my very best on the fake one. Okay, maybe it's a little more noticeable here on the real one and a little bit more shiny as well. Let me see that. Yes, it's definitely more shiny on the real one than it is on the fake one. You see, you gotta look into the small details to find differences, okay guys? Then let's go here with the Air Jordan that we have here, because this is the main feature on the shoe. And just right now, on the fake one, this is the fake one that I have here. You see those lines, like let me show you, these lines here. We don't have that on the real one. You see how clean this one look? Yeah, so be careful with that. That could also be, you know, the quality controls, but we don't have that on this real pair, and we do have it on this fake pair. Okay, the Air Jordan, take a look at that. Real here, fake here. Do you notice any big difference here? I think that this one is a little more embossed than the real one is. Let me know if you can notice that difference as well. Yeah, there's a small difference when it comes to the way they placed the Air Jordan right there from the way Nike put the Air Jordan on the real one. The swoosh, take a look at the swoosh here on the real pair. Now take a look at the swoosh on the fake. Now let's see them side by side. The real one is at the bottom, the fake one is at the top. And I'm not noticing any big difference when it comes to the swoosh of these shoes here. Maybe the stitching here, you know, we have a cleaner look here on the real one, and the material used on the shoe seems to be a little better on the real one than it is on the fake one. Like in the first look, they might look the same, but when you touch it, let me know if you can see that on camera. When you touch it, it's not the same. Definitely a little better quality used on the real one than the one it was used on the fake one. It's not bad either. You know, it's a little similar, because I have to be honest, it's a little similar, but it's definitely better on the real one. We maybe can see this a little better here when we go to the toe of the shoe. Real one right here on this side. Take a look at that. This is the real one. Okay, cool. Yeah, the leather's definitely better on the real one. And let me see the holes here, the perforations. I don't know though, perforation seems to be about the same, but the shape, look at the shape on the toe. You see how the one here on the real one seems to be a little bit more pointy than this one is? This is about the same. It's not a big difference, but you know, if you've been dealing with this for a long time, I think you can notice the difference that I'm pointing here, but it's just a small difference. Both of the shoes comes with both laces, just like this, all right? The tongue seems to be about the same, and tongue tag as well. This is why you gotta be careful out there. This is why I never wanted to buy these shoes from a reseller, because I knew the fake ones are gonna be really close to the shoes, and there were a lot of fakes floating out there. Okay, but the day I'm recording the shoe hasn't released yet, but I didn't pay resale for the shoe, and I knew where I got these shoes from. I can't tell you because I don't want to get people in trouble, but yeah man, it is what it is. So when we go to the bottom of the shoe, again, real one right here on the side. Take a look at that. Don't mess with the shoe. This is the real one. The red seems to be a little more vibrant on the real one than it is on the fake. Let me know if you can notice that. I don't see any other major difference when it comes to the bottom of both of these shoes. If you do, let me know in the comment section. Now let's see the midsole in both of these shoes. Color accuracy seems to be about the same. This is real, this is fake. And that midsole looks about the same, you know. Let me see again. Maybe a tiny stronger shade of sail on the fake one, but you need to have them side by side in order to tell. I want to have more differences, but I gotta be honest, I'm struggling here to find it. Outside of the real one having definitely better quality leather, the small details here and there, but I don't know, maybe, yeah. You see how it shines is right here on the ankle area of the fake? We don't have these here on the real one, so that's probably a good legit check point. The ankle area shouldn't be that shiny. So let's see what we have when we go to the inside of the shoe, because I want to find some good differences, but I haven't been able to. Both of them have the extra laces right here, white tongue in both of the shoes. Again, this is real, this is fake. Seems to be about the same though when it comes to the details. Yeah, the Nike branding on the real one is bigger than the Nike branding that we have on the fake. Let me remove the insoles to see what we have right there. Okay. Insole on the real one. All right. Now insole on the fake one. At the top we have the real one, and the bottom we have the fake one. And it's definitely not the same. You see the lines looks a bit more clear on the real one. And the fake one looks like it has been worn because of these little things that I have here. It's a little dirty, I don't know why. But yeah, it's cleaner on the real one. And when we go to the bottom, look at that. You see how shiny it is on the fake one compared to the one we have on the real one? Pay attention to that. Insole will always be a good legit check point when it comes to a real versus fake shoe. So that's a major difference right here, right? Insole will always be a good that giveaway when it comes to real versus fake, legit checking a shoe, whatever. Now let's see what we have here when it comes to the stitching job. Very clean, both of them. You can see that on camera. They have been doing a good job when it comes to these shoes. I mean, just look at the job that they did with the stitching on the shoe. It's pretty good. But guys, that's basically it. Let me know if you notice any major difference that I couldn't notice, man. Let's improve this video together for the people who are going to watch these shoes to, you know, because they don't want to get scammed. They don't want to get scammed, and I don't want them to get scammed out there. But I know there will always be people trying to, and you'll probably be like, well, there's a lot of real shoes eating from these shoes. Why will somebody get the fakes? Well, remember that people can get the fake one and try to sell them for a super low price, you know, trying to pretend it's a very good deal, but they are actually selling the fakes. And I just don't want you to get the fakes when you try to get the real one. If you want to get the fakes, that's on you. That's none of my business. You can do whatever that you want. But if you want to get the real one, I just don't want you to get scammed out there. That's why this video is for educational purposes only, guys. But I don't know. Let me know your opinion about these. Thank you a lot for watching, and leave a big like if you appreciate the content. And if you want to see more of my content, but outside of YouTube, make sure to follow me right here on my Instagram, JSunJKex. I'm always uploading videos, picture, sneaker information like shock drop, early access, all the upcoming releases. You're going to know about that first right here on my Instagram, JSunJKex. Thank you again for watching, guys, and till the next one, goodbye.